guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a tour of my new little room and apartment here at school. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is how the place looks as soon as you first walk in. So to the left here is the bathroom. Straight ahead is a little like living room situation. If you look over to the right, it leads to the bedroom. And then around here is the kitchen. So starting off with the little living room area here, what's nice is that the place already came with furniture. So the tables, the couches, the chairs, all of that was already in here, and I just added my own little decor and stuff like that. So these couches are only about 1 or 2 years old too, which is really nice. You can tell that they're not like heavily used or anything like that. So this is just the little living room area. I added this, it's like one of those scent things, so it smells really nice. And then I added a pumpkin recently to be like more fall themed, and then this plant here is fake. And then moving on to this corner, I put an oil diffuser here as well. This lamp right here, I decided to bring just because I felt like it wasn't bright enough with the lighting that was already in here. This I got from Target, so anything I mention I will leave linked down below, but I think this was only like $10 for this lamp, and it has 3 settings, like, and then like it gets brighter each time. Again, it came with this table set right here. So here is an overview of the kitchen. It has everything I need. I feel like this place is the perfect size for me. So it has an electric stove, a microwave, plenty of cabinets for storage. Over here, since it isn't like a 2-part sink, I just bought like a tray under here, and then it drains down perfectly. And yeah, I love the NutriBullet. This is like super convenient to make smoothies with because you actually blend the smoothie in this cup and then you can take it to go and drink right out of it. So it's a lot less dishes to clean afterwards. And a little toaster. I usually keep fruit on this tray, but I already ate it all, so that's why there's nothing there. And then what's really convenient is the place came with a dishwasher. This mat, I love this little rug I got. This was $20 and I got it at Target, so I'll try to find that and link it down below. I think it just really helps brighten up this area, so I really like that too. Moving on to the bathroom. So I mean, this is pretty simple. I just hang my towels here, and this you can find at Target as well. Since this little sink doesn't have any like storage unit on it, that's why I decided to use this instead. So I pretty much just have like cotton balls, stuff like that in here, and anything I use regularly I put in this bin, which is also from Target. Anything on top here like toothpaste, what else do I have, like Q-tips, lotion, basic things like that. Here's the shower. Probably can't even see that, but pretty much here's the shower. Nothing special about that. But what I did was I have this, which is also from Target. If you couldn't tell, I like shopping at Target. And this is perfect to hold like a loofah, soap, everything on here. So I'll find that and link it down below as well. And then like I already showed, it's just like a really basic sink area with a super large mirror. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. A lot of closet space in here. So right now I pretty much just have like boxes. That right there is a steamer for my clothes. So heading over here into the bedroom. So the bedroom is actually pretty big for one person. I don't know why they gave me 2 beds. This was not meant to be a double, but for whatever reason, I got like an extra large room, so they gave me a second bed, which is nice just because if I have people stay over, they can sleep on here instead of the couch. So I know my sister's already been here a couple times. So pretty much here, the first bed, I use this just to store a couple extra pillows and blankets. Moving over here, I keep like more blankets here. What else do I have? Anything for the printer, and then like my hair tools, I think. Yeah, like hair tools are in here. So then I got this printer. It's actually really nice. This one was a good deal, and it does like everything you would need as a student, so I'll link that as well. Not only does it print, but it also has a scanner slash like copier thing on here. Over here, this is like so random, but the rest of my makeup is across the room. But since I use this like regularly, I just leave it here by the mirror. So here's my little full body mirror I have. I have this little plant. I don't know why he's sideways. I don't know if he needs more water or less water, but he's like wilting over. Over on this corner, it's just like a little nightstand. Nothing crazy. And then here, I use the same bedding that I did last time just because I really like the gray theme, and everything still fit perfectly. Moving over here is my desk setup. So I decided to use like half of my classes, or actually most of my classes, on the iPad this year instead of paper. But I do still have a couple classes where I use paper. So I have a couple binders, Kleenex, those are eye drops. Just counting down the weeks to the end of this semester, or quarters. And then I have that little clock I always talked about in my other videos. This cute sign, I don't remember where I got this actually. I don't think it was being sold in bulk, so I can't link this exactly, but I can see if I can find something cute like that. I keep this little charm here that my sister gave me. Let's see if I can focus. Okay, guess not. But anyways, it's just like little glasses, and it says she believed she could, so she did. On my desk here, I just keep my laptop. I bought this mouse. Ooh, I love this mouse. I mentioned this in my last video. And then I just have my iPad and some random things charging. And then, cute little candle with a cross on it. And these are just my lenses. These are so cute. So pretty much these are the lenses we use when we dilate people. So as you can see, everything's like upside down. But what's cute is, if I can find it, I got my name engraved on all of them. And then finally on this side is just a dresser with a bunch of clothes. And then also, like I said before, I keep a lot of makeup here and stuff like that. And then this whole wall here is just two like huge closets. So like I said, there's a ton of storage here. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this little apartment. It's really cute and tiny, and it's the perfect size for everything I need here. I just thought it was super convenient living right across from school because I don't have to worry about transportation or weather or stuff like that. Also, I really like to sleep in, and I tend to run late, so it's perfect for me. And then I'd say my favorite part was the cute little kitchen I have now. Definitely so much better than eating from the school's cafeteria. And of course I got a single, so I love being able to live alone, just saying. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Like I said, I will try my best to link everything that I purchased down below in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!